At the core of Discord is its server system, the fact that anyone can join. Well, there are plenty of servers available which can be either public communities or private hangouts for just you and a select few other people. So if you want to create your own server, how exactly do you do it? Well, we'll be going over that in this very video, starting off with how the process looks like over on desktop and on the browser version of Discord. If you look at this server list to your left hand side, you'll see a little plus button at the very bottom, which is a button to create a server. So just click on that and this will bring up the server creation wizard, which will guide you through the process. The first question it's going to ask is what kind of template you want to use, as Discord has pre-made templates for different types of servers, which have some pre-made channels and rules and roles, etc. However, if you don't want to use a template, simply just click on the topmost option and it's going to create a completely blank server. The next question it's going to ask you is more about if it's going to be more of a private space or a public community one, which will once again dictate things like, for example, permissions, though of course it can be changed later. And if you don't know what kind of server you want just yet, or you don't want Discord to apply any of these settings for you, there's a button at the bottom which allows you to skip this step completely. On the next page, you then have to provide a server name, and you can also add your server icon. Then just click on create and your brand new server will be made. Now let's go over exactly what the process looks like over on mobile instead. Once you are in Discord, simply swipe right until you see a list of your servers. And once again, you want to tap on the plus icon at the very bottom. You'll then be given the same option as before, where you either choose from a template or just create your own from scratch. And just like before, you'll also be given the same option about if it's going to be more of a private thing for just you and maybe a couple of friends, or is it going to be a more global server that pretty much anyone can join. So again, that dictates some of the permissions and other features of the server. So you can tap on whichever option you want, or once again skip this for now. And you'll be taken to the final page, which is also the same, where you can set a server name as well as the server icon as well. Then just tap on create server and your brand new server will be created. So that's exactly what the process of creating a brand new server looks like, both on desktop and on mobile. So hopefully you have found this video helpful, and if you did, maybe subscribe to How To Authority for more like this in the future.